call me Brittany, cause I did it again. That's right, I did something stupid again and bought another
$250
worth of phones. Smaller box this time, but much heavier. We'll see. Oh, but this is awkward. What is that here? That's my DDR4 memory. That's 64 gigs of DDR4. Why is that here? I'm so embarrassed. It shouldn't be here in this current market. I'm not showing off. It's just happened to be there. Yeah, that's right. I own RAM right now. I guess you can call me. Wait. Let's see. What's in here? Did I make a horrible mistake this time, or am I going to make at least some? I see iPhone. Okay, that's a good sign. That's not a good. Is that a golden Samsung? Oh, and that's not even wrapped. Why would you wrap this anyway? I mean, it's a Nokia. Is it even breakable? A little bit. Wow, I cannot believe. Well, not even the battery, wow. They cheaped out on me. Alright, let's throw that in the garbage. Another iPhone. Alright, awesome. Also, guys, yes, I know. It was done in A14, it was an A54, okay? It's just a good thing. It's more expensive, okay? It's just better. Let's see. These all look... On the first look, these all look in very good conditions. As I said, pretty good condition. Will it turn on? I guess not. Alright, next, the iPhone with no X this time. Looks like an older one though. Maybe like a 5, something like that. It is in perfect mint condition though, so that's awesome. Will it turn on? I doubt it. I'm very unlucky with power. Yeah, this does not turn on. Alright, let's look at the gold Samsung. Oh, it's a cover. Got bamboozled. Thought it was like a limited edition or something. Doesn't even fit. Oh, because the battery is popping off, literally. Oh my god. Did not like that noise. You know what? I'm just gonna put this in the garbage. I won't take any chances with that. This one is the biggest one of all of them. Let's see. Okay, this is like a recent Samsung. Hold up. Switch my mic around because all you heard. Oh no. All you heard was the scritching of this. So I moved my mic around a little bit. That's not a good sign. It looked perfect from everywhere else. It just has a crack here. Big crack. Let's see. Does not turn on. Alright. Another iPhone? iPhone S? Is that what I... Or a 5? I don't know. I never had an iPhone. Never had anything Apple. So... We'll see. So I have no idea. Oh, it does not turn on. I have no idea what these are. These look pretty old. These look similar. Actually, these look exactly the same, but they have a different name. This one has an S, this one doesn't. We'll see. How about this? This looks like an old Motorola. Camera in the middle. That's an LG. I think I'm glad I paid less for this, this whole thing. Okay, it does look in good condition though. Does it turn on? I guess not. What is this? Wow, another LG. How lucky am I? Yep, nothing. Alright, we'll leave some times for all of these to charge and see if I can make some money off of this. This is charging at 30 watts. Oh, it just vibrated. So the screen is just completely gone. Because it just turned on, it just vibrated. Alright, well, if it's just a screen... Okay, so screen replacement for
A56
is about 25 Canadian bucks. So about like $4 USD, I guess. So this phone in perfect condition gives me $90.
Wee woo, big mistake again. I thought it was an A16, it's an A56, same mistake as last time. It's not $90 on Go Resell, it's $250. So all the numbers you'll see on screen, I'll count that in mind, because I'm a big dum-dum. Okay, see ya.
So manage the screen, still some pretty good margins. Just want to point out that my RAM from earlier, you know, it's crucial. So, you know, limited edition, you're not going to get any of that anymore. Extra value. Hey, okay, this is charging. Cool. This is booting up. All right. Let's remove this and see. It's not locked. Oh, hell yeah. What model is this? It's in French too? It's an it's an iPhone 6. How much would an iPhone 6 be on Go Resell? I would say this is like new, right? This looks mint. Underwhelming, but still 15 bucks. Pays for the screen for the A15. Okay, this phone is not even USB-C. So for a phone like these two that are most likely not going to be available on Go Resell and sites like that, I might put them on Marketplace if you're wondering what I do with them, because some old lady who still might want a phone, or an immigrant who doesn't have good credit can buy them. Oh, that's good. Can buy like an expensive phone, just want a phone to call people, might enjoy these phones for a little while they're broke or something. So honestly, I might still sell them for like 50 bucks each on Marketplace. Even 30. Let's say 30. It would still be 60 bucks if they both turn on. This one clearly works. This one though is a different issue. The fact that it's blinking red, I don't know if you can see that, does not bring me any confidence. TCL is turning on though. That's a good sign. Please God, make it not locked. It isn't. Is it locked to an account? Doesn't look like it. Well, thanks TCL for telling me which model it is. The T7730. That's a TCL 20S. 20S in like new condition. You know what? 35 bucks. All right. I'm wondering if I could maybe sell this one more on Marketplace. Like, I could easily sell this for 50 on Marketplace. So I might switch this to Marketplace. Yeah, I'll put this on Marketplace for 50. Now, how about this one? Since I pressed any button, it flashes red. It seems like when I plug it in, it charges. Let me use a bigger water charger. Water charger? You know what I meant. Let me use a bigger charger and see if it charges faster. Where are all my USB-C cables? I have like millions. Okay, there we go. Now this is a 45 watt charger. This would charge hella fast, dude. How about this one? Are you charging now, sir? Okay. That's good news. It's just it's charging at 0.9 watts. So that's great. Clearly the phone charges.
Cuckoo!
Chat.
Hi, cuckoo!
This is a good sign. Alright. Google Nexus, LG Nexus. I wonder if that's worth anything, even on Marketplace. Well, Go Resell does not have it in their choices for LG, so that's not a good sign. It's reset. I would sell this one on Marketplace for 30 bucks. I even would negotiate for 25. Just to get rid of it. It's you know, it has fingerprint sensor. It has a decent sized camera, a flashlight, some sensor of some sort on the side. Is it locked? That's the real question. Yeah, alright, this is an easy 25 bucks. Yeah, shut up. Not for these two. Are you done charging already? Like, Jesus. Okay, well, I'll let some time for those two to charge, because this is still not even charging at 1 watts right now. Huh. Is it my cable? Let's see if this cable is any better. Again, what charger is this? That's only 5 watts. I need better chargers, guys. All my good chargers are USB-C. Is this like, okay? I'm gonna remove this light because this is 10 watts. or 15. You won't have any lights for a few seconds, and then let's see how fast this charges. Automatically charges. Okay, hold up. That's new. Usually says 0. Now it's kind of like loading. Has a light. It's at 2.8 now. Okay, let's leave those two for a little while, and I'll come back.
So, stay tuned for that. Bricks from the bottom, so we gotta install them ourselves. Although it is a nice touch that they made them match with the color of the shellators. The O-Ray WUHD 366MK is a compact 4K wireless HDMI extender.
You build the deck stairs and then you can just drive a fucking car into them.
Alright, I guess this is long enough. I've been waiting for at least 20 minutes. So if it's not charging, it's not charging. It's not charging. Alright, see you in the next episode. No, okay, for real. Oh, this one is charging 4% in 20 minutes. Are we getting anything from this? Did you hear that noise? That's a noise of $24 on Marketplace. Question is it locked? If it's locked, it's not even worth trying to unlock it, I think. I'm done. Damn it. Okay, you know what? We're not done. Let's try some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 7, 8. You'd be surprised how much times it is. 0, 0, 0, 0. Shit. 1, 1, 1, 1. I like that it doesn't have any delays. I'm just gonna try. 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5. Fuck! No, there's the delay. Well, I guess I'm not gonna do anything with this. And is it still charging at like 5 watts? How long is it this? Let's try to turn it on. Well, it can't always be great deals, alright, chat? It can't always be great, it can't always be perfect. I think I'm gonna try to sell this on Marketplace for like 50, and then this on Marketplace for like 25. You can't see my face, but I'm pogging right now. What happened? I was going to do my outro and stuff. Is it locked? Don't tell me it's locked. It's not locked, right? It's not locked. It's unlocked, chat. Woohoo! Tell me it's not linked to an account. It is not linked to an account. Okay. Okay. Ooh, I'm dancing. Okay, I'm excited. It's a 6S. Well, you know what? It's still only $15. So, I'm guessing I'm gonna sell both iPhones instead of saying 15. I think 50 on Marketplace for each is pretty decent. I'll just try to see the best margins I can do with these. Chat, I just got selected for a free scratch card. A pog, dude. A pog. This is going straight to my spam. So the way I see this, I'm breaking even with this, which is not that bad. You know, it could be worse. I could have lost money, but I'm breaking just about even. Alright, all my settings are wrong because my camera just lost battery, but I have an underbox coming soon. I don't know where it is, but I think it's not here yet. Alright, I'll leave you on this. If you want more of me, I have a Twitch channel that I stream twice a week on Tuesdays and on Sundays. I also have another YouTube channel. Everything is in the description. I have a Patreon if you're interested. Everything is in the description. See you next week. Okay, bye. Oops, I did it again.